besties, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jen. Welcome. And if you're old but equity, thank you so much for coming back. I truly appreciate you guys so much. So we are coming in with a force. Blessing the reap and we coursing on. So guys, you click on this video because of this NutriBullet juicer, which I will unbox. I got this from Argos and it was £100. The review were good. They were good and bad, so I'm gonna open it with you guys and I'm gonna use it, and then afterwards I'll come back and let you guys know what I think about it. The juicer. I like juicing. The one I got from Amazon broke off, so I can no longer use it, which was super annoying, and I was sad because I love juicing. It makes your skin glow, drinking juice, and it really do work on your immune system, honestly. So I miss it. That's why I went today and got this NutriBullet juicer for £100. Anyways, I'm gonna bring it up and then we're gonna talk about it. It's here. It is heavy, okay? If you're gonna go and buy it, make sure you go with someone so they can help you with it, okay? I think maybe I need scissors. I'm coming. Give me a minute. Am I too far? I hope I'm not, for real. Anyways, guys, I got my knife here. Be careful, please. Oh my god, this is so big. This is down like this. Be careful so you don't cut what you're not supposed to. When I was getting this, right, they were we were asking if there's a problem, can we bring it back and things like that, and the lady was saying that we have to prove that there's the blender is leaking or whatever. So it's like, how do you prove something like that? Like, so I was just like, do I need to bring juice here? Guys, this is huge. God though, Chineke. Okay, can you guys even see me? Yeah, it's so big. Oh my god. He's so cute. Yes. Okay guys, do you see that? It is so cute. Do you see that? Do you see that? Do you see that? Oh my god. Do we get thumbnail? Yes. Oh my god, I cannot wait to try different juice recipe with this. It is huge, really big. Oh god. Okay, please be careful. Let me stand up. Be careful when you're opening this. If you clumsy like me, please make sure you're careful. Oh, okay. Guys, this is huge. So guys, putting this is chaotic unboxing. Okay, wait. Okay, so you have the NutriBullet Juicer manual, okay? I think it's easy to assemble, should be, but they give you instructions on how to use it and stuff like that. They'll tell you how to clean it, how not to clean it, so which is awesome that it comes so you can read it, go through it on your own time. And obviously they have this user guide, yeah, so you can see what to do. And then you have recipe guide leaflet, which is amazing. Okay, here you have recipes, obviously, duh. I am definitely gonna be checking this out, you know. Putting that aside, we're gonna open it and see what we have. Okay, we have this, which the one I used to have is so small. I think I did I do unboxing? I don't think I did, but this one is good though. It's bigger than the other one I used to have from Amazon, so I'm super excited to use this. It comes in with this cup. Okay, I have NutriBullet blender, so I hope this will be good, because that blender, I still have it and it's been like maybe almost 5 years since I got it. It's amazing. So Obviously we have the cover. This is the cover for it. Okay, this is so cute. When you juice, you can just put it in the fridge. Amazing. It's plastic, it's not glass, so just so you know. Big Daddy is here. It will chai. Okay. Let me stand up because this one definitely. Okay. Guys, you really have to be strong to open this. Chaotic. Period. Okay. Unacceptable! Okay guys, before we talk about the blender itself, the juicer, you have the brush, so that way when you finish juicing, you can clean it up, which is really big and sturdy. Like, and it's actually really harsh. I like it. What is this? NutriBullet. This is amazing. I really love this. And obviously, this is the queen herself. Oh, I love this. It's heavy, very heavy. I truly hope this will not give me any trouble, because I love juicing. It's so therapeutic and it's so good for your health. You can blend different fruits and vegetables and it's so good. This is the top. Obviously when you put your fruit, you put it in, like it will blend it for you, and this is good. This is so good. Open this, like, do we, is it us that open this? Okay, I need to watch a video on how to lift this up, because I don't want to mess it up. But this is it. This is the thing that filters everything. And obviously you have high and low. It depends if you're using, if you doing carrots, you put in high, and then if other soft fruits, you put in low. So yeah, it's pretty big. Guys, this is a blender and I love it so much. It is so cute. I'm gonna obviously make juice afterwards, like in different video. I'll show you guys how the juice come out and what I think about the whole thing. But today is just to unbox this beauty, which I love so much. It's so big. I like it. I like big things, if you know what I mean. If you know what I mean. That sounds so wrong, but it's whatever. Anyways, I hope you like this video. If you do, thumbs up, subscribe, let me know what you guys think about this juicer, and if you guys have it, like, what do you guys think about it? Is it a good quality juicer or not? And yeah, do you guys juice? Are you guys going to start juicing? I would definitely high key recommend for you guys to start juicing, because it's very good for you. Right, anyways, I'm gonna leave you guys and I'm gonna go because it's prayer time and I need my time with Allah. So take care, guys. I love you all so much. I will definitely see you guys on my next video. Bye, besties.